Hi everyone, my name is Brandon, aka Smart Home Sellout, and today we're going to be going over the Apollo PLT-1 and showing a bit about it, such as the optional add-on that you can do for soil temperature, as well as just kind of understanding a bit about all the features of the PLT-1.
All right, we have the Apollo PLT-1 here. This is a very small capacitive sensor versus resistive. Means that it lasts longer and should be more reliable. This here you can see the little where the shiny kind of stops right there. So this entire stake is coated in a conformal coating on both sides. And what basically is happening is once it is subjected to, for example, let's say that we put it in a cup of water, water bridging these two lines here is what's causing the sensor to take a measurement of the soil moisture. All right, so we also have the RGB LED right here. This is a AHT20, that is our air temp and humidity. And then we also have, let's see, the boot and the reset buttons. We have the USB-C port, and then a port. This is a 3.5 millimeter port. This does a either small 8-inch or 1.5 a large 1.5 meter long soil temp probe, but this could also be used for air temp, or it could even sit in a fish tank or something, right? So we also have a temp 1 and a temp 1b device that uses this same temperature sensor, so it does not have to be used specifically for soil. All right, so if we kind of gently, you can kind of put your thumb in here and push up. Let's see, I might want to use this. Um, it's kind of got a nice tight fit on it here. Let's see. There we go. So you can also just use a pry tool and very gently pry in there. So this will get the device out of our case. And as you can see, our reset button's here, our boot button is here, RGB LED, um, USB port, and our 3.5 millimeter jack. All right. And then, of course, this is our little buzzer. That makes a neat little buzzing sound that you can use for automations to let you know to water your plant, for example. All right. So let's go ahead and gently put, whoops. When we're lining this up, this flat part will be facing Apollo, and then this goes over the RGB LED. Try not to provide too much force, just kind of set it there, and then it will snap down. Perfect. So we also want to make sure that if we plug in this, that it is fully seated. So I have a wiki article on this as well, but you want to make sure that it's got a nice, it's fully seated here. Another deal is this is going to look for this temperature sensor whenever it boots up. So if you have power plugged in, this and then you add this later, it will not recognize it. You will need to either hit the reset button, or you will need to power cycle the device. So unplug, plug it back in, or hit reboot inside of Home Assistant or the device page. And of course, we also have the long version if you want to buy the longer version to get it further. All right.